Good morning. We are doing some puzzles with our puppies. So this is part of their toy conditioning, part of their enrichment activities. Puzzles like these, they make them work on problem solving. They work on cognitive skills. They have to figure out how to get the treat or the food out of the puzzle. So it's actually really good for their development and their growth. It's an important part of a puppy's development to learn these kinds of skills. You can see the toys that are hanging, and I did a video earlier. We always have these hanging toys as well, and we try to vary out the toys so they're getting lights, sounds, different textures, everything. But a big part of their toy conditioning is these puzzle treats or these puzzle toys. So as you can see, that puppy there just got that opened up, that little hole under the bone. And the puppy had to slide that bone in order to find the treat, or slide the yellow bone. And on this one, they have, there's the blocks in the middle that they need to move, and underneath the blocks there are treats, and then they have levers they have to lift. We're back to this one now. Oh, look at that puppy sliding that bone around. So smart, figuring it out. Yep, getting the bones to move because the puppy knows there's a treat under there. Oh, and a side note, we always use high quality treats. Treats should only be about 10% of a dog's diet, and they need to always be high quality treats that don't contain any bad things. Their treats should elevate their nutrition, not be like cheating and giving them empty calories or things that might cause health problems. So this puzzle has a bunch of extra, like they have the lever they have to do, and then you can see that block the puppy has its mouth on. If they flip that block over, there's a hole underneath there. Both of those blocks, and then they have the sliding ones, kind of like the other puzzle as well. So this is, as I said, this is part of their enrichment, and we encourage puppy families to get some of these puzzles, some of these problem-solving puzzle toys, because it does continue to keep them busy. It gives them something to do, and the more positive activities you have for a puppy, the less trouble they're going to get into, the less times those puppies are going to go and chew something they're not supposed to. So a big part of training a puppy is giving them their positive choices that they can use, the things they can do that are good. And puppies are going to chew. Their mouth is like their fingers. That's how they're learning about their world. So this is a very positive way to encourage them to chew on something that's a good thing. They're learning problem solving, they're learning other skills, and they're getting, a high quality treat that is just going to keep them healthy and strong. So I'm sure you're probably sick of hearing me talk, so I'm going to stop, and I'm just going to let you enjoy watching these guys work out their problem solving skills with these little puzzles. Enjoy.